A cordless multi-tool is a versatile and essential piece of equipment for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Picture a tool that can cut, sand, grind, scrape, and more, all with a quick swap of attachments. It's like having an entire toolbox in one compact device. What sets the cordless version apart is the freedom to move without the limitations of cords or outlets. Powered by rechargeable batteries, it's designed for convenience, allowing you to work in tight spaces, on ladders, or outdoors without worrying about finding a plug. Whether you're making precision cuts in drywall, smoothing rough edges on wood, or removing old grout, the cordless multi-tool adapts to the task at hand. Its multi-functionality makes it ideal for everything from quick repairs to detailed, intricate projects. But the real magic of a cordless multi-tool lies in its ease of use and adaptability. With variable speed settings, you can adjust the tool's power depending on the material you're working with, slow and steady for fragile surfaces, or full throttle for tougher jobs like cutting through metal. The oscillating motion of the tool provides smooth, controlled movements, reducing the risk of damage to your workpiece. And because it's cordless, you can take it anywhere, from your workshop to a remote job site, or even a corner of the attic. It's designed to be the ultimate solution for versatility, portability, and precision, making it a must-have for anyone looking to tackle projects with efficiency and creativity.